takeoff and landing. Your cellular phones should be on flight mode during the whole flight. Please remove all devices from charging ports for takeoff and landing. In case of loss of an electronic device under your seat, ask the cabin crew for assistance. During takeoff and landing, would you please put your tray table and your seat back in the upright position, keep the window blinds open, and fold down your armrests. Now, please make sure that your seatbelt is fastened. For more safety information, read carefully the safety card located in the pocket in front of you, and follow the cabin crew instructions. Thank you for your attention, and we wish you a pleasant flight on board Royal Air Maroc.
سيدتي وسادتي الذي سلامتك سنقوم بتخفيض الليلة مصر جدعنا لديكم استخدام مصابيح القراءة خاصتكم شكرا. Ladies and gentlemen, for security and social use, becoming lighting. You can use the engine to illuminate lights above your seats. Thank you.